Nothing just released their brand new CMF products, and now they're releasing a new phone in 3 days. This phone is a Nothing Phone 2a Plus, and it is meant to be in between the Nothing Phone 2a and the 2. In this video I'm gonna tell you all about it and also some other news about Nothing. Now, before I get into the specs, I want to talk about the name. This is a pretty complicated name in my opinion. It should be shorter than this, I feel like. Nothing's products have gotten pretty complicated lately, like Nothing Ear 2 to Nothing Ear. That just doesn't make sense. I can't really think of a better name given the current lineup though. Now I'll show you the specs for this new phone. Currently we know that it comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro chipset. They say that it'll perform 10% better than the Phone 2a. This is not a massive upgrade, but they say that the GPU in this will run 30% faster, which is great. So maybe it's gonna be really good for gaming. We don't really know any other details. I think that they will probably upgrade the battery life a little, and for the design they should definitely make a new design for this. Not just keep the Phone 2a design. Maybe they just add more glyphs like somewhere around here instead of creating an entirely new design. I don't know, but I would like to see a new design. Now, what is it going to cost? Well, considering that the Phone 2a is 350 pounds and the Phone 2 is 630 pounds or 520 pounds on sale, and the Phone 2 is very often on sale, so given all that, the Nothing Phone 2a Plus will probably cost around like 400 to 450 pounds, I would guess. I'm really excited to see what they do with this phone. Stay tuned to the channel to see the details about this phone when it releases. Before I end this video, I actually want to show you some news about Nothing. Firstly, the last part of the Nothing Phone 2a Community Edition is now open. This last part is marketing. It will end on August 2nd, 5 PM BST. They're looking for a campaign film with key visuals and a tagline. If you want to create a marketing campaign, check the link in the description to submit. I'm super excited about the Community Edition and I'll tell you more about it on this channel when it comes out. Nothing also recently released a new Nothing OS 2.6 update. This is now available on every Nothing phone. I also got it, so I'll probably make a video about it. Here are the new features in it. The little battery status up here, yeah, you can now see CMF watch battery level up here. There's also this new date widget. There's also a Nothing.community widget. There's a game mode. And there's also some minor bug fixes. So, you know that Nothing has a store in London, right? Well, it looks like they've just opened a new second store in Tokyo. They have recently held the 2-day Phone 2a Special Edition phone event in Tokyo, Japan. And it looks like they've built a whole store for it. Maybe it was just the event, but it looks like a real store. It's not on their website yet, and they haven't confirmed anything yet, but it looks good. For the last news of this video, Nothing has recently received some Red Dot Awards and IF Awards for their products. These are design awards. The Red Dot Award was honored to the Phone 2, Phone 2a and Ear A. I think this is well deserved. And the IF Award was honored to the Phone 2 and Ear 2. Once again, well deserved. That was all for the recent news about Nothing. I'm super excited for the Nothing Phone 2a Plus and the Community Edition. If you want to see more about these products when they come out, or just enjoy the start of this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.